Start flying through the air like Superman. Thank you for joining me for the premiere episode of Food Trekker Ride to Eat. I'm your host, Sam Bass. Today I'm going to be meeting with some Harley riders. We're going to do some riding and we're going to head out to the River Pig, enjoy some drinks and some food, and then especially we're going to be enjoying the best pizza, some of the best pizza in Portland, Oregon from the Star Pizza. So hang with me here. We're going to go for a ride, so let's go. Star Pizza. They have this amazing cornmeal crust pizza, deep dish, Chicago style. Best pizza in Portland. Welcome to Portland. This is Burnside. We're at Burnside and 19th. They're doing a lot of construction around here. A lot of things are changing. This is right near Providence Park where they have the Timbers games. Oh man, a three-legged dog. Alright, I'm gonna set up the dog there. They had to do outdoor seating because of COVID. Now it's like all the roads are closed. Now it's just outdoor seating. So we're going, gonna go check out the River Pig. Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Right on.
Yeah, you're looking beautiful. Hey, thank you. Hey, what up? Scott the Second. How's it going, man? Some open mic tonight?
I will probably not.
No.
I have a showcase that I am going to be on.
Okay.
Like last minute, someone dropped out and they were like, "Oh, we need a replacement." So
Sweet,
yeah.
man. They got sriracha, bacon, vodka. There's some vodka in there too?
Yes.
Holy cow.
Oh yeah.
What are you drinking over there?
Oh, just a mimosa.
A mimosa, right on. And how about yourself? A shot?
I think it's a French 75 something.
It looks like a little bit like a gimlet or something like that.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I actually we have this thing occasionally when we go eat where we tell the waitress or the bartender, make a sweat, you like it.
Where'd you guys ride down from again?
We rode down from Spanaway, Tacoma area.
Okay.
It's about a 2.5, 3 hours, 3 hours longer because we stop and
Go.
get off, stretch our legs.
Right.
We stopped and had a great late breakfast, early lunch at one of our favorite restaurants.
Oh, which is that?
In Chehalis. It's called Jeremy's.
It's a farm to table.
Wait, is that the one you told me about?
Yeah, farm to
Dude,
table.
you got to get me out there.
Vegan, non-GMO.
Sweet.
Gluten-free, paleo,
Okay, so
everything.
getting you out there is
But
all
good.
about you. We got another
Yeah.
place. We got another
Well,
place
you know,
in
I mean,
Tacoma.
I meant, you know, I'll go out there, but
There
I mean,
you
we
go.
got to.
Another place
I got to get out
Tacoma,
there.
too,
That's all
that
your
you need to go
schedule.
to.
I got to ride up there. So,
It's friends that are vets.
where did you guys? What were you in? Were you in?
I am still in for the next about 8 months, the
Oh.
Navy Reserve.
Oh, okay. Where did you start? What is the Army or Marines or the Air Force or the? Oh, Navy.
We started with the Navy.
Navy. Hey, my buddy Alfonso Howard. He's from the Seabees.
Howard.
Yeah, he's you know he's like 3 years younger than me.
So Army vet,
Yeah,
Army Navy vet.
Army Navy vet. Wow.
Yeah, dual service.
Did you get to travel much?
Only to
I went
dusty
to
places.
exotic
We
places
went to
such
dusty
as
places.
Afghanistan and Iraq and
sounds-
United Arab Emirates.
that
So I
sounds
got
wonderful.
to go to them exotic places.
They
So-
went to way more fun places.
So you were really the air conditioning is where it was at. Right. I'm gonna go check on our pizzas.
Yeah.
Fast.
Not me. I lost a lot of weight when I went through chemo, but not that.
Oh, really? That's wild. What happened?
3 years ago.
What kind of
In
cancer?
my lymph nodes.
Oh wow, that's wild. Woo, that's beautiful, man. You guys make some of the best pizza.
It's true.
Wait, yeah, take it on out. Where you gotta go? I'm following you.
All right. I have been talking about getting a deep dish pizza for years and years.
Dude, you're in the right place.
I haven't filmed anything since that last sushi video.
For Brian.
Yeah, that's us.
It works picking you up when you're out there with Guy Fieri.
Yeah, man.
It was my spirit animal.
Guy Fieri's your spirit.
Oh, I love Guy Fieri. And I'm like, I just want frosted tips like Guy Fieri.
Pizza's on, man. Pizza's on. This is the meaty one. Look at all that.
25 miles out from land. You can't see like
The classic is tomatoes, pepperoni. You got some olives in there, onions. I got my lemonade. Let's see how this baby is. We got a mango lemonade, homemade. That was worth it.
It was worth it.
Yeah, it's good.
Wow.
Time does the
Brisket
brisket
guy
guy
there
get
today.
there?
Got there.
And we will go out of our way to make sure that's on our processes as because he's got the best brisket.
Nice, nice.
He just does.
Some of the best barbecue I've had since Texas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the best brisket I've had this side of Mississippi.
Do you guys just ride on the weekends, or is it all the time? Or?
So. You ride to work, I ride to work. It's my commuter.
I used to ride all the time to work, but you know, riding an SV650, doing like a couple hours of riding around the city or like outside the city and stuff, it's not right.
It's brutal.
Yeah.
I ride an hour and a half to work.
Well, you got that couch that you're sitting on. I used to sell Harleys, man. I know how it is. You sit, unless you're on the soft tail, it's pretty comfy. Yeah, mine meant to slide in and out so I can lean off the sides.
Yeah.
Which I do once in a while, but we're not on the street that much. When I was on the track, you know, I'm dragging knee and all that, but you know, well, you guys saw the video, I guess. I kind of started, I was riding a little bit like Rossi. I don't know, Valentino Rossi, you know who he is? I was kicking out my foot into the corners, kind of like a dirt bike. And just, it felt comfortable to do.
Right?
So I went with what felt comfortable. One of the things I realized when riding is the more you try to stiffen up and the more you try to like control the bike, the more terrible the ride's going to be. The slower you're going to go, and the more it's more easier to get in an accident as a result.
Right.
I end up running over one of the guy's bikes as it's going off the road because I'm going with it. Because we're doing 100 plus miles an hour
Right.
into this
Yeah.
corner. And as soon as I go over it, I get bucked off the front and I start flying through the air like Superman. I can't see because there's dirt. There's like a big dirt ball up in the sky in front of me because they threw up all the dirt off track.
Right.
So I'm flying through a dust storm essentially, and I was telling Brian here I did a bunch of martial arts. Brian the First. I did a bunch of martial arts, and I did also did sambo and stuff like that. So my immediate reaction to going to this whole action of being in the air was to tuck and roll. Yeah. And I tuck and rolled just as I hit the ground, got up like I was doing some kind of like ta-da, like, oh hey guys,
Stuck to dismount.
yeah, totally stuck. But the first thought I was like, wait, where's my motorcycle?
Yeah, right.
Because it was behind me. I was like, is this still coming? Thanks for watching Food Trekker Ride to Eat. This is my first official episode of many, so I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be making many more episodes with a lot more riders. We're going to be checking out a lot of food around the area and outside of Oregon. I want to thank the River Pig for giving us some great drinks and some great food. And of course, the Star Pizza. They have some of the best deep dish pizza in Portland, so you got to check them out. I'm on the rooftop here. I'm going to say goodnight with a nice little sunset shot for you guys, but I'm enjoying my cock and bull in the near time. So ride on, enjoy the ride, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace out.